In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with this affiliate program where you can make a lot of money, thousands of dollars, millions of dollars, billions of dollars, depending on how serious you are. The name of this affiliate program is called System.io. It's a program that helps the software that helps um, people building their landing page. You don't promote their products, you don't promote their brand, whatever. Landing page, websites, and all. A lot of people need this program. We'll be paying every month. This is $0 a month, $27 a month, $47 a month, and $97 a month. Also, so you just need to push it to people, promote it. You can promote it through Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, Telegram, whatever comes to your mind, whatever you love, the place you like the most, place you where you use your app the most, you just promote it there. Your favorite app, for example, you use TikTok more, promote this offer on TikTok. You understand me? It's as simple as that, bro. It's ABCD. You get me? People are making a lot of money. Let's read. Over $5 million in commissions paid to our affiliates. So far, see, this program is not more than 10 years. Just $5 million already. So put it into your score. You need to make money this year. Promote this product. Many people want to be paying every month because they need to create their web page, their website, their landing pages. They don't need to be sending emails, automated emails and all, email lists. You get me, bro? If you're an entrepreneur, you know what I'm saying. If you're a business owner, you know what I'm saying. This is important. So you promote it. 5 million people have made money so far. No, they have made over $5 million in commissions paid to our affiliates. They join our affiliate program today, promote our offers, put your leads into our funnels, and earn 60% lifetime commissions every time your affiliate link is used to purchase a System.io subscription or course. Open and simple rules. There are conditions to join our affiliate program. Strong affiliate tracking. Your affiliate link is attached to every email we send to your referrals. Anyone can be an affiliate. You don't need to be a System.io customer. Exactly. You don't need to like System.io customer. I mean that you don't need to go to this pricing plan and purchase it before. And be external person promoting this product. This System.io. System.io.com/affiliate program. Just go there, take your link, we join and start earning. Put in your email. They'll give you your link. You can click here also anywhere you want to click. Start promoting now. Just 4 steps. Follow the guides. You start making money, bro. You imagine. Let's go to the pricing. Imagine someone takes this one. The $27. Let's do our calculation. $27. Calculate it. 27 times 60%. 60% commission. Remember that 60% commission. Yeah. This is how much you make for the startup plan alone. Startup plan alone. $60 per each person. Let them seek in. $16 per each person. You imagine you are able to attract 1,000 people. 1,000 people end up to the basic one, the startup one. Times it times 1,000 people. That's 16,000. You imagine you're able to get 16,000 people every month. $60,000 every month. Only just 1,000 people. That is passive income, baby. $16,000 every month. You stop your work. You work. Have no choice to stop the work and stay at home. Stay with your buddies. You make money online. You stay with your two buddies in the bed with you. I know what I'm saying, bro. It's easy to gain 1,000 people to pay you in this day and age. Everything depends on the traffic source though. You need to use the traffic source well, you need to know how to promote, you need to know how to market. I've talked enough in this video. As for me, I'm out. Wait. Go to the second link in the description if you like this method. You want to get rich, buy Lambos over the time. Just you want your life to change. If you want to retire mama, you want to look at if you want to retire mother, if you want to look at other ways to make money online, you're not interested in this way. Don't fail to go to the second link in the description. Come on, bro. It's 2024. You're broke in 2024. You need a therapy, bro. There's something wrong. Are you cursed? It's easier for you to be rich than for you to come to this world again. Let that sink in. It's easier for you to be rich again, to be rich. You're broke, you can be rich again, than coming to this world. As for me, I'm out.